Welcome to Wander Joshua Tree. My name is Sarah and I will be giving you a tour of this incredibly modern Adobe style home with a heated pool, hot tub, yoga deck, sauna, gym, workstations with incredibly fast Wi-Fi, table tennis, and more. Wander is what you get when the quality of a luxury hotel meets the comfort and space of a vacation home. We're different than other vacation rentals because we own 100% of the homes on our platform, which means all the uncertainty from travel is removed. Life has enough stress, and we believe traveling should be an escape. So we built Wander to make it easy for you and to help you find your happy place. Upon arrival to Wander Joshua Tree, you're gonna notice its unique location. The home is located on a desert hilltop with breathtaking views, and you don't even have to leave to see the iconic Joshua trees that the area is known for. And Joshua Tree National Park, one of the world's most natural desert treasures, is only a 10-minute drive away. Every Wander home comes with state-of-the-art smart home technology that puts total control at your fingertips. You'll be able to control every aspect of your experience here from your smartphone within the Wander app, from unlocking the front doors to controlling the lights. Let's take a look inside. The dining area has a Scandinavian modern design with desert chic decor and an open concept kitchen. We also have a dining table that comfortably sits 6 and fabulous dishware for entertaining. And while you are enjoying that meal, you will look out to the Yucca Valley, which is scattered with Joshua trees. This view is truly awe-inspiring, and especially at golden hour. Seriously, you cannot beat a sunset here. It is incredible. The kitchen is what sets Wander apart from other travel accommodations. Our fridge comes fully stocked with soft drinks, you have an espresso machine, and you even have cooking basics such as oil and spices, plus the high quality cookware and dishware is what even a professional chef would need to cook an amazing meal. However, if you're not a home chef, you could always have a private chef come and cook for you, and you can enjoy the show on one of the 4 bar stools right here while they cook. Our Wander Concierge is available 24/7 to support in any way, from facilitating a grocery delivery to providing recommendations for a private chef or restaurants in the area if eating out is more your style. Our Joshua Tree travel guide also has some recommendations on dining, so make sure you check that out. The living room's decor is brought to life through a warm color palette and natural materials. We have 2 caramel leather couches, a Navajo tribal print inspired rug, a enormous Samsung TV. I mean, I can't even touch either side of it. A wall-mounted electric fireplace, and a telescope which is perfect for stargazing at night. To the back of the living room, you have a washer and dryer nearby, a workstation that looks out to this wonderful pool. Plus you have a mini bar here with a fridge so you can chill your drinks and then enjoy them in the sunshine poolside. Speaking of that, let's go outside and check that out. The outdoor space here at Wander Joshua Tree is amazing. Look at this, I'm obsessed. Whether you're looking to relax, spend time with loved ones, or celebrate a special occasion, we have you covered because there is everything you could ever need here to have a memorable time. We have this in-ground pool, it is heated, and we have several lounge chairs, floaties over to this side. There's also cornhole on soft turf grass and desert view with all different types of cacti. You have your own private yoga deck here. And by the way, if you want a private yoga session, the Wander Concierge can organize that entire experience for you. Sunrise yoga here, amazing. Because they have super fast Wi-Fi throughout the entire property, you can work anywhere on it, including up on that desk overlooking the mountains. In the evening, enjoy your own built-in hot tub while the entire outdoor area is lit with luminary lights. It's a great way to end the day. Another option would be to dine al fresco at your own table for 10. After that, make sure you head to your own personal fire pit that can be controlled right from the Wander app. You'll see it 6 people so that everyone can join in on the fun. The primary bedroom has a southwestern style and gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows. However, if you want some privacy, we have some shades here. A standout element of all Wander bedrooms is how comfortable it is to sleep here. We want you to sleep better than you do at home, so that's why we have mattresses that have the latest in-sleep technology so that you are cool yet comfortable. The beds are outfitted with Nola Pelli sheets, which are super soft and cooling and leave your hair frizz-free when you wake up. And if you have a baby like me, don't worry because all Wander properties come with a crib and a car seat for the Tesla. Simply let the team know before you visit and they'll set it up for you. We also have a little outdoor space right off of the primary bedroom that has an outdoor shower. Is there any better way to wake up in the morning than take a nice outdoor shower while you're looking at this view? I don't think so. Right in front of the bed, we have a massive Samsung TV and the ultimate workstation. The primary bathroom has an open concept shower with dual range shower heads. The counter of the bathroom is spacious and reminiscent of a desert vibe, and right above it, there's a little window that looks right out to a Joshua tree. All Wander properties come with luxury amenities as well, and because Wander handpicks all of the products, you can expect luxury that exceeds expectations. In the drawers, you will find a Dyson hair dryer, which is something the professionals use. You have lush towels, and of course, my personal favorite, the Wander robe. I seriously look forward to wearing this at every single stay. Every Wander home has 300 megabytes to 1 gigabyte internet speed and Ubiquiti hardware across the entire property. And at Wander Joshua Tree, that means you can work anywhere inside or outside the property with ease, including from the pool. After all, when stunning settings and smart technology collide in just the right way, the result is something magical. Each of the 3 workstations have an Ermin Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, an uplift sit-to-stand desk with a rustic design. We have a Blue mic, which is so high quality that it is used for broadcasting by major recording artists. And there is also the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, so that you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls and won't even need a virtual background. Each desk also has 38-inch extra-wide LG curved monitor and high-end speakers. And what I loved is when I arrived, all I had to do is plug in this one wire and everything here was connected for me. And here's bedroom number 2. Wander Joshua Tree has 2 other gorgeous bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom and all of the comforts and amenities that the primary bedroom has. And this is bedroom number 3. As you can see, it's just as beautiful as bedrooms 1 and 2. Now bedrooms 2 and 3 actually have a special feature that the primary bedroom doesn't have, and that is that we have access to the pool. By the way, when you are staying here, a fun little fact you should know is you don't have to worry about cleaning anything when you leave. Our Wander team will do that for you, so you literally just pick up your stuff and go. Don't worry about long to-do lists. We don't make this a hassle for you. After all, we want your vacation to be as relaxing as possible. But if you want things extra clean, the Wander concierge team can actually arrange a mid-stay clean for you. Just let them know and they'll get it done. Miss your gym back at home? No worries, Wander Joshua Tree has you covered. We have a full gym here that includes a sauna, a Peloton, a treadmill, an Ergatta rower, a weight rack, and all of this looks at a beautiful mural by a local artist named Vila. One of my favorite things about this gym though is that you can actually jump right into the pool after, because we have a door that can open and close to the pool. In front of the gym, you have a ping pong table. There's just so much to do here at Wander. That's what makes them special. At Wander, we believe humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. Now, anyone can stay at one of our properties, but we also offer a Wander membership program that unlocks additional benefits, including 5% off of every Wander you book, early access to new Wanders, VIP concierge service, exclusive discounts from our luxury brand partners like Ermin Miller and 8 Sleep, a members hoodie, and more. Now, to learn more about that, visit wander.com/membership. With that, let's get in our Tesla and explore the surrounding area because there is a lot to do here. Check out our travel guide on it up next. Thanks so much for joining me at Wander Joshua Tree. We can't wait to welcome you to your new smart home experience.